Hello viewers, it's Sunday the 14th of May. This is a huge wheat field which I've just crossed, but I'm heading up this path. I wonder where it's going. Perhaps you heard that, there was the beep of a train. And we're going to cross a railway. Very dangerous pursuit, perhaps, if you don't stop and listen. There's a warning sign here. Do not trespass on the railway. Penalty £1,000. That's a lot of money, even for me. Through the gate, still going uphill. I've been going uphill for about half an hour now, but finally reaching a destination. And in fact, unfortunately, about 5 minutes ago I saw a train go west along there, but here is a train beeping me, perhaps because he's coming east. What a bit of luck that was. Chiltern Line. You see, not only does Geoff Marshall get beeps, but I do too. Stop, look, listen. The rail trains, there it goes. Isn't that nice that the driver beeped? Perhaps I look a bit as if I don't know about trains, but I do, of course, as you've probably seen from other videos. So here I am on the up line, or is it the down line? And here I am on the down line, or is it the up line? There's no chance for another train coming along. Look, no electrification, no overhead cables. All the overhead cables are overhead here. So, bit of fun that, bit of excitement. A train went past, it wasn't planned. How exciting. Cheers.